One of the YouTube myths I hear all the time is I just need one video to strike it big. So, what do folks do? Pour a tremendous amount of time, effort, and money into producing an incredible video. On YouTube, a few milestones are as satisfying as getting 1 million subscribers. After years of filming and uploading, watching your channel go from zero to hero is everything. It's even better than gaining your real first subscriber. Hey guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio, where we want to sharpen your video production skills in as little time as possible. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 steps to create a YouTube success. So, stay tuned. You know the old saying, 50% of work is done when you initiate it. Not everything you upload to the YouTube needs to be perfect or professional and very qualitative initially, but do anything. You first need to start. Set up your channel to musician or music artist. Include your band name, song name, the venue or location if relevant, and maybe even a few specific keywords that accurately describe your music. And you can select musician as your channel type. Add text to your channel and your videos. As music is one of the broad categories to be seen on the YouTube, there are high chances of you being successful. But you have to reach the right audience. Tags are really important. Tags are the keywords that help people to find your video on the YouTube search engine. Tag your videos, venue names, your brand name, song names, city, state, genre, and other relevant keywords. Add clickbait to your title and thumbnail. It's important that people first see and click on your videos. So add some clickbait points which compels viewer to open your video. Create the first 1000 true fans. Always focus on creating a community, and that starts with your first true 1000 fans. To build a sustainable YouTube channel, you need to drive the conversion to the channel subscriber, and that's going to take some hustle, both inside and outside the walls of the YouTube. Here are a few thoughts to get your brain moving. Regular personal communication paths to friends and family, asking them to check on your videos and subscribe. Email newsletters, Facebook messages, Twitter DMs, Instagram, direct, stories, Snapchat, and moreover, all are the powerful source of communication. Make a clear call to action in your video and video description. It's really important. Outreach to bloggers who feature top YouTube videos of the week, or write about music closely related to your style. Respond to every comment. Just like any other platform, social engagement is really important here. Responding to comments will not only make your fans feel appreciated, it will also inspire others to comment on your videos. Try starting the comments of yourself by asking your questions or pointing out something interesting in the video. Use YouTube Annotation. Video annotations allow you to add comments and links to your videos. You control what the annotation says, where they appear on the video, and when they appear and disappears. Stay updated with your analytics and then experiment with your content. Any YouTuber will tell you that data is gold when it comes to creating quality content. So listen to your numbers. As a musician, it's important to serve your audience better, and before that, first you have to understand who your audience is. You're going to need patience and resilience. 1 million views won't come overnight. As a musician, most of our dream circles around playing for an audience, but we all wish that we could get more stage time with a captivated crowd. YouTube can be a vehicle for you that. Bonus tip. Having a USP and focus on creativity rather than the competition above all. Channel out one unique personality that is unique about you or your music, and start marketing that. I'd love to see you in the next video with another great video or another great learning. Do let me know in the comment below on which topic you want us to create more videos. I'll happy to create. Till then, bye bye and happy creation.